In this video, we will explain what is acknowledgement in eOffice. When a letter is received via post from an external department, such as Sports Ministry, and is scanned to create an e-receipt in eOffice. This process serves as an acknowledgement to the sender that their letter has been received by the concerned office. To begin, click on the eFile application. As soon as you click, the file inbox will open. Now, under the Receipt submodule, click on the Create button. Upon clicking, the Receipt Diary screen will appear. On the left side of the screen, at the top, click on the Upload button. Once clicked, choose the respective letter file. After selecting the file, click on the Open button, and the letter will be uploaded. Now, move to the right side of the screen, where the Diary Details section is displayed. Diary Date, this field is set by default. Forms of communication, select the type of communication related to the letter. Language, choose the appropriate language. Receive date, select the date on which the letter was received. Letter date, enter the date when the letter was created. Letter reference number, if available, enter the reference number of the letter. Delivery mode, specify the delivery mode, such as email. Mode number, enter the specific number or code associated with the selected delivery mode. Sender type, categorize whether the document was sent by an internal department or an external entity. VIP, if the sender is classified as a VIP, this field helps prioritize the document for faster processing. Now, in the Contact Details section, check Add to Address Book if you want to save the details. Click the Self button if the metadata belongs to the SAM user. Ministry Department Others, choose the ministry or department from where the letter was received. Name, enter the name of the person who signed the letter. Designation, specify the designation of the person. Organization, mention the organization's name. Mobile, enter the mobile number of the sender. Email, provide the sender's email address. Address, enter the complete address. Country, select the country. State, select the state. City district, enter the city or district. PIN code, provide the postal code. Landline, if available, enter the landline number. Fax, if applicable, enter the fax number. Now, Category Subject section. Main category, select the category related to the letter. Subcategory, choose the appropriate subcategory, if applicable. Subject, enter a relevant subject related to the letter. Enclosure remarks, add any additional notes or related information. Generating the acknowledgement. Tick the Personalize Acknowledgement option. Click on the Generate button. A green success message will appear confirming that the receipt number has been successfully created. On the left side of the screen, you will see the Acknowledgement section. On the right side, you will see Receipt and Sender details. At the bottom, you will find two buttons. Send Later. Click this if you want to send the acknowledgement at a later time. Continue. Click this if you want to send the acknowledgement immediately. Upon clicking Continue, a success message will appear. Now, the acknowledgement screen will appear, and at the top left corner, you can see the acknowledgement number. Now, click on the Initiate Dispatch button. A new screen will open. On the right side, under the Receipt Details section, find the Email column. Click on the E button. A pop-up for email details will appear. In the Subject field, enter the acknowledgement subject. In the Email Message field, enter a message like, I have received your letter. You may customize the message as needed. Tick Copy to All if required. Click OK to close the pop-up. Finally, click the Send button. A green success message will appear. New dispatch has been created. This is the screenshot of the acknowledgement sent to the mentioned email. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. More practical tutorials are on the way.